In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly access your Grammarly account, ensuring you have all the tools you need for perfect writing right at your fingertips. Now let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Grammarly website, which you can find by simply typing grammarly.com in the address bar. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page for easy future access. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage, your next step is to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a new page designed to facilitate your sign-in process. It's quite user-friendly, so let's go through your options together. At this point, you're presented with several sign-in methods. You can choose to log in using an email account, which involves entering your registered email address followed by your password. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can opt for a one-click sign-in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account credentials. This seamless integration not only saves time, but also helps minimize the clutter of remembering multiple passwords. Once you've decided on your preferred method and completed the necessary authentication, simply click Sign In. Within moments, you should gain full access to your Grammarly dashboard. Here you'll find a welcoming layout that's intuitively designed to help you improve and refine your writing projects with ease. Starting a new document is straightforward and offers you a blank canvas to work on. Should you need help with an existing piece of writing, you can easily upload your document by clicking the Upload button. Grammarly will then meticulously analyze your work, offering insights and suggestions to enhance your writing style. For those new to Grammarly, take a moment to explore its different settings and options. The platform provides real-time suggestions as you type, which can significantly speed up the editing process. Keep an eye on these as they pop up, pointing out grammar issues, spelling errors, or style enhancements. Grammarly is highly customizable, so feel free to delve into the settings to adjust features according to your writing needs. If you're ever uncertain about any of the tips Grammarly offers, there's always a little explanation provided to give you context about the suggestion being made. This can really aid in understanding and subsequently improving your writing techniques. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Grammarly and are all set to make the most of its powerful tools to polish your writing. Whether you're drafting an important email, working on a manuscript, or just jotting down ideas, Grammarly is there to support your journey to becoming a more effective communicator. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.